Hello everyone. I got a couple of things in the mail, so I thought that I would go over them. So I got 3 Peachy Cheap deals. I got my Ellie Edwards kit finally came in. She did keep sending emails updating what was going on. She got caught into that whole shipping thing. So anyway, it finally came in, and I did go ahead and cancel the rest of these. And I went to Sam's today and I saw this, and so I thought that I would share that. All right. So these first 2 Peachy Cheap deals are exactly the same. So I bought this Maggie Holmes deal, and as soon as I clicked out of it, I thought, I want another one. Hey, I thought this was supposed to come with some bows. I don't remember seeing this. Okay, anyway. Guess so. I thought it came with bows. But anyway, moving on. So once I clicked out of it, I was like, you know what? I really want 2. So I went ahead and turned around and ordered it again. And so this is Market Square. It's so pretty to me. I mean, just gorgeous. And it's almost as, I don't know, maybe it is as cute as Carousel. Carousel was just, I didn't even like Megan Holmes until Carousel came out. And then after that, I kind of been a Megan Holmes fan, but I'm selective. Not a big floral person, but I don't know. I like the way she does it. So, oh, shoot. Anyway, let me just flip through it right quick. All right. And that reminds me of Carousel. So I'm just going to flip through, and that was fall. You probably have already seen these, but, and then that pig looks like Wilbur from Charlotte's Web. I really would like to know whether or not that's on purpose. Like, is it tied into that? And there's some foiling on around the flower. Very cute. And see, like, that reminds me of Wilbur. But anyway, very, very cute. And that takes me back to my childhood, because that was the first kind of like novel that I ever read. And I know it was the first book that made me cry. All right, so that. So, and then the ephemera is so cute. And then you get sticker book. I think this was a really good deal. All right. Okay, and then, like I said, I got 2 of them. Same thing. All right, and then, so we'll finish up with Peachy Cheap. I forgot what this one was. Let's see. All I did was cut it. Okay, Marigold. Oh, that's the one with the bows. Okay. I thought I saw some bows. All right, so Marigold. Those are really, really cute. Really cute. Super girly, but really, really cute. And then I thought that this was a really cute kit. And then you got, and to me, all of that goes together. Let's see. Then you get the washi tape and the stickers. And then you got some 12 by 12 papers. This is cute. That's interesting. That's pretty. That would be a really cute mini album cover. Very cute. All right, so that is that. I got like a Maggie Holmes bonanza going on here. All right, and then I finally got in, like I said, stories of the month. But this is the January, because it finally got out of those shipping containers, I guess. All right, and then let's look at this. And then this is some kind of weird texture. I don't know if it's plastic or latex or what. Oh, it's fabric. That's neat. I'm not upset about that. I like the stickers. Not gonna go through the cards. They're usually boring. And then the stamp set. I used to love her stamp sets, but not so much. I mean, this is not terrible. It's not. But I'm not gonna miss it. All right, and then the last thing is this. So I picked this up at Sam's. If you have a Sam's Club, you might want to check it out. So you get some highlighters, you get dry erase markers, you get the Sharpie Ultra Fine Point. I love these. I like to write with these. And then you get regular Sharpies. Then you get the Papermate Flare. And then you can never get enough of these Inkjoy gel pens. I love them. And then this is my new obsession. It's these S-Gel Sharpie pens. I love them. Love, love, love them. I take them to work. I have like a ton of them. And then the white one, that's neat. So all of that was like, I think it was $12.48. So not a bad deal at all. All right, guys, that is all I have to share today. I will talk to you later. Bye.